Hello, my name is Pelton and my case number is 217259. We are from group A5. Today we will be conducting the Pelton turbine experiment. So what is Pelton turbine? Pelton turbine is usually used to generate electricity, which is turn fluid energy to electric energy. Then, in this experiment, the objective of this experiment to determine the characteristic of Pelton turbine at various speed. Next, I will pass to my members, which is Jacob Jish.
Hello everyone, my name is Jacob Jimmy. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of pick of the apparatus and also the procedure of this experiment. So first of all, we're going to talk about the apparatus first. So we have the Pelton turbine, the loads, the head, and also the brake. As for the equipments, we have tachometer and we have a stopwatch to determine the volume flow rate of the water. And here we have the water volume indicator. So we are going to proceed to the procedure. As for the procedure, there are two constant variables here. So first of all is the pressure head, in which we have to adjust by adjusting the head, and also the head that are being determined before the experiment. Okay.
Hi, my name is Darwish. My metric number is 217338. For my part, I will explain about result and the analysis of the experiment. So we have three part, which is the first one is to record all the data, which is consists of flow rate Q in meter cube per second, and then RPM, torque and pressure, PW and PM, also the efficiency and the force, total force of this. And then second, we record all the data as analysis one above the variance inlet pressure, which is the H1. And the last one is to plot the graph of the mechanical power, torque, efficiency, and discharge or water power against the rotor speed angular velocity. So for the efficiency, we use the formula efficiency equal to mechanical power over the water power, which is the water power we get from the power out and the mechanical power from the power in. More details about the analysis of the turbine experiment. So in the experiment, we only can get the data from the one we can measure using the measurement or the equipment inside in here. So for the first experiment, we set up the H, which is this pressure 0.3. So in this data, we already tabulate in the table. So the RPM is the result for the RPM is decreasing from 912.1 RPM to 359.5 RPM. So for the W1, the data is constant, which is we use between 1 until 5 data, but the W2 is increasing. So W2 we got from the force minus the changes of the force. So for the W2, at one W1 we got 0.4 changes, but in W5 we got 1.2 changes. So in the second experiment for the RPM, for the bar, we increase the bar from 0.3 to 0.4. So in the RPM, also the result is decreasing from 1086 RPM to 646.3 RPM. Also, the W1 is constant, and the W2 also show the result is decreasing from 0.3 to 1, increasing from 0.3 to 1.5. For the flow rate, in the first experiment, we not calculate yet, but we got the time for the 5-liter meter, 8.97 seconds. For the 0.4 pressure, we managed to get the result 11.07 seconds for the 5-liter meter volume indicator. So in next video, I will explain more the details about the efficiency and the graph of mechanical power, torque efficiency, and discharge against the rotor speed. So that's all for the experiment analysis.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I am Salim, my number is 213887, and I'm gonna present to you the discussion and conclusion for our experiment. So, first we need to know that when we increase the pressure, the speed of the turbine is going to increase, leading to the water to the power output to increase also. And if we plot this into the formula of the efficiency of the turbine, you're gonna see that the efficiency of the turbine will increase also when we increase the pressure of the water, and it is also going to increase the speed. What we could do to raise the efficiency of the turbine, we could just simply raise the pressure of the water, which is going to lead to more power output and more increasing in the efficiency. So if we conclude anything from the experiment today, we will see that when you put more power into the turbine, when you move the turbine faster, it is going to lead to more efficiency and it's going to lead to more power output.
So here is the explanation on how the experiment and its finding related to the engineering field and discuss potential real-world application or implication of the experiment. So for the real-world application, we can see the example is hydropower plants, which is we can improve the efficiency and the cost effectiveness, and also the potential implication. This is the end of the video, and thank you for watching the video.